day to each and everyone. I am Vimala Srinivasan, studying in KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science at BCom Corporate Secretarialship, batch of 2019 to 2022. Now we are going to see about the valuation of goodwill. Valuation of goodwill is a part of a subject in a corporate accounting. Meaning of goodwill. Goodwill in accounting is an intangible asset that arises when a buyer acquires an existing business. Goodwill is calculated by taking the purchase price of a company and separating the difference between the fair market value of assets and liabilities. Now we are going to see about the definition of goodwill. Goodwill in a simple word means the good name or the reputation of a business which attracts more customers and therefore helps in earning a more profit in the future. It is an intangible real asset and not a fictitious one. It is mostly called as an intangible asset. Goodwill is a thing easy to describe but difficult to define. It is benefits and advantages of good name, reputation and connection of a business. It is a one thing which distinguishes an old established business from a new business as it starts. Goodwill is composed of a varieties of elements. Lord McNair. Now we are going to see about the natures of a goodwill. Goodwill is an intangible asset since it cannot be seen or felt. However, it is not fictitious in the case of profitable concepts. It cannot be sold. Through a sales will be possible only along with the sale of business itself. Sometimes goodwill is more valuable than the tangible assets. Now we are going to see about the sources of goodwill. The following are the main sources which generally give risk to the goodwill. The location of a business premises. Example, a retail shop located in a busy market center. The reputation of articles sold arising from the high standard or quality of goods themselves. Possession of a trademark is patents or copyrights. Possession of advance as contracts or complete or partial monopoly. For the needs for the value goodwill. Goodwill is to following circumstance. When a new partner is admitted, when a partner dies or retired, when there is a change in the profit sharing ratio, when the business of a company is taken over by another company, when the business of a company is being taken over by the government. Derivation of goodwill formula. Methods of goodwill. There are three methods. Average profit method, super profit method and capitalization method. Now we are going to see about the average profit method. Goodwill is equal to adjust profit into number of year of a purchase. Adjusted average profit is equal to average profit minus non-recurring income plus non-recurring income. Income from investment, interest on investment, gain or lottery income, non-recurring expenses. Abnormal losses, speculative losses, stock destroyed by fire. Now we are going to see
asset in excluding share discount, debenture discount, preliminary expenses, goodwill, investment, profit and loss side, underwriting, commission, research expenses. Liability excluding equity share capital, preference share capital, general reserve, reserve fund, profit and loss profit, security premium, capital reserves. Calculation of super profit. Goodwill is equal to super profit divided by nominal rate of returns. Annuity methods of super profit. Goodwill is equal to super profit into annuity table value. Calculation method of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to total capitalization value of business minus net asset. Net asset is nothing about net tangible assets. Capitalization value of business is equal to average profit divided by normal rate of returns. Net asset is equal to asset minus liabilities. Thank you for listening and watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for new updates. Bye. See you later.